US, UK, and German indices started off the week on a slightly flat note here. We can see modest bearishness prevailing. Can we expect this bearishness to continue throughout the day, or are we looking forward to a rise here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, Germany 40, and FTSE100? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session for the US markets. Do not miss to watch it. This is the see, we not only provide you the levels, but also going to give you the reasoning behind each and every levels. And this is the only channel to do so. So subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, the US indices S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, followed with Germany 40 and India and FTSE 100. Watch till the S&P on the early charts. After the rise here, it has retest seen taking the support here at around 5980, 5990 zone. And this is a good support zone here, because once it trades below 5980, we can expect more down move here, which can take it all the way towards 5960 first. And in fact, below 5960, you can expect a greater correction all the way towards 5938, 5918 level. If you look at the move on the early charts, divide this into two, you can see what has happened here, what might be seen here the next, that is towards 5960, it might possibly move, and if that is taken, then more downside is possible. Moving average is right now bullish. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD crossed over for sell. The RSI is trading with moderate bearishness. So mixed observation here from indicators. Look at the 2 hour charts. The resistance here is pretty strong. Let it just stay below 5980, and then more bearishness should prevail, which might in fact take it towards 5960, the next targets. Stochastic bearish, the MACD trying to cross over for sell, the RSI is looking downwards. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation here. Slight bullishness, slight bullish channel. This is a drop below 5960, and then 5920 should confirm a greater correction towards 5850 possibly very soon. Yes, the indicators are trying to cool down and are right now comfortably placed, neither showing aggressive bullishness and nor showing aggressive bearishness. On the 4 hour chart, see the flat top, one bearish candle swing here. The current candle might show more bearishness, where the prices could trade downwards. And thus, even if you see it is staying below 5986 levels, you can take a sell for 5974, 5960. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD almost flat, the RSI flat. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, the prices started on a bullish note, then erased some of the gains. Now it is forming a wick here. Possibly this could try to take it little lower, but I will say till 5960, at least you should be cautious. We should not be treating this as bearish. And then 5938. If these two levels are taken, we can say 5920 and 5900 is a must, and then more bearishness should prevail. The stochastic at top, the MACD is moderately bearish, the RSI is flat. So considering this very simple, even if you see it is staying at 5986, take a sell for 597, 5974, 5960, and then 5938, 591820, and then 5900 is a must very soon, if not today. Appears 5900 is difficult, but your slight bearishness might prevail. On the upside now, I'll recommend a buying entry is only and only if you see it is staying above 6004 levels, where you can expect 6015, 6024, and then 6040. Any move beyond 6040 is a clear breakout move, which could take it all the way now towards 6072 and 6095 levels. Chances are less, but yes, these are markets. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. What we had seen for S&P holds good for Tech 100 as well. Here you can find out the support from 21,700, 21,680 getting stronger, and then 21,650, 21,600. If these levels are taken, because below 21,600, we are looking forward to aggressive bearishness. Notice this drop retracement. The retracement is bit gradual, and once it trades below 21,600, you can look forward to a greater down move all the way towards 21,400 very soon. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossing over for sell, the RSI is trading with moderate bearishness. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, a flat top suggests it is getting difficult for Tech 100 to stay above 21,800 levels. And thus, you have to be very cautious. If at all it starts to trade above 21,800, 840, you can say the bulls are back. As long as 21,800, 840 is not taken, be cautious with the buys here. Support from 20 period getting stronger here. Notice this. And now once it trades below 21,680, more bearishness should follow. stochastic oversold, MACD trying to cross over for sell, the RSI is flat. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation of flat top, the retracement. Once it trades lower, more bearishness should follow. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD crossed over for sell, the RSI is flat. On the 4 hour, similar observation, see bearishness here, the resistance here, the swing here, and now once it trades below 21,680, 650, we can expect 21,600 and lower levels. Indicators are trying to cool down. Coming to daily chart, similar formation here on the daily charts what we had seen in S&P, the resistance lower highs trying to start with a wick here. Possibly this could try to erase the gains here from the Friday's candle. That is a move towards 21,600, 21,500 is possible, and below that in fact 21,400 could be seen. Yes, the stochastic is at top and the MACD is retracing the RSI spread. So looking at this, very simple. If you see it is staying beyond 21,760, buy for 21,800, 840, then 21 or 21,900 and 22,000 is a must. Remember, once it trades beyond 21,900, 22,000 is a must here. I do not see that, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, you can sell at 21,680, expect 21,646, 21,605, and then below that 21,540, 21,500, 21,400 is a must. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. US30 also, after the bigger rise, it is retraced, then a smaller rise, it is retracing. I can see a support coming in picture here at around 42,600, which is very strong. Even if you see it is staying beyond 42,670, take a sell for 42,630, 600 zone, the strongest support here. Below 42,600, more bearishness should follow. Moving average is right now bullish, while the MACD has just crossed over for sell, and the RSI is trading moderately bearish. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, the flat top and the bearishness, possibly this could move. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, it appears US30 is approaching towards 42,600, below which more bearishness should follow. And if at all it decides to stay below 42,600 levels, we can in fact expect the next target to be there at 42,400 very soon. Indicators are trying to cool down after a good rise here. And on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Notice one bearish candle swing here, second one breaking out. I'll wait for the next one. If it stays below 42,670, stay with the sells towards 42,600, the next target zone. Below which you can expect in fact 42,400, 440 is the next target as well. Indicators are comfortably placed and can take any direction. Though the chart suggests that there could be bearishness, but yes, wait for the indicators also to fall. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Notice after every rise, it retraces towards 20 period, and this is possible that this should be no other exception, where 42,600, 42,400 zone, it will try to fall in. Indicators are comfortably placed. Coming to daily chart, notice the drop, the retracement. This is a retracement. In this retracement also, this is the wave here. Very important for US30 to trade below 42,000 and 41,800 for a greater crash here towards 41,000 very soon. Indicators, if you see the stochastic is at top, the MACD almost flat, the RSI flat. So looking at this, you can sell here at 42,670, expect 42,600, 550, 480, 400. If 42,400 is taken, stay short for 42,200 and 42,000 levels very soon. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 42,750, which could take it all the way towards 42,820, 42,900. And if that is taken, then 43,000 is a must. Take your trades accordingly. Now see how easily under just few minutes we have analyzed the three instruments and arrived at the levels. You can also learn this art of trading. Join my 33rd mentorship batch is starting 11th of June. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you are looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a SWIFT free account with lowest %, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. To just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for your queries. Now let's have a look at Germany 40. If you look at DAX here, you can find out the resistance here on the upside towards 24,350 is getting stronger, and this zone between 24,350 and 400 is definitely a critical resistance for it to stay above. While on the downside 24,200, 24,100 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm more bearishness. Indicators are, moving averages are trying to converge here and cross over for sell, while the MACD and RSI and stochastic, all the three are trading bearish on the early charts. When you see the 2 hour chart, see till here it was fine. The 20 period offered it a good support. Now this candle is trading below 20 period, and hence the next candle is going to open below 20 period. Now, once it trades below 24,240, you can stay with the sells for 24,200. And once it trades below 24,200, stay bearish. Stay bearish for 24,140, 24,100, below which 24,000 is a must. Indicators are trying to cool down and are looking downwards. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation taking a case from 20 period. Let's see if it stays below 24, 240, 200, more bearishness should follow here. Yes, the indicators are also looking downwards, which is in sync with the red candle here, which is a good sign for the bears but not for the bulls. Support here till 24, 200 is pretty strong. Stochastic, the MACD trading with divergence, definitely a bearish sign. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily chart, look at the daily charts. Lower highs here, bearishness here. Now, once it trades below 24, 240, 200, you can expect 24, 140, 100, and then 24,000 levels. Prices are trading with little divergence from 20 period. It could converge here. Indicators are definitely showing slight bearishness. So, considering this, the buying entries are only about 24, 300, 320 zone, where you can expect 24, 360 and then 24, 405. If 24, 405 is taken, you can just stay bullish for 24, 485 and then higher levels should follow, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 24, 240, where you can expect 24, 195, 24, 146 and 24, 100, below which 24,000 is a must very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to FTSE 100. FTSE 100 hitting the highs at 8850, now trying to retrace. It has come down towards the support zone. And now 8820 is one level and 8800 is the second one, which is definitely going to play an important role. And then 8780. If these three levels are taken, it is going to deliver a massive dip here. Else it is still bullish. The indicators have cooled down. The MACD has just crossed over for a sell. RSI is trading with moderate bearishness. Look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation, flat top trying to trade bearish below 8820. More bearishness should follow, and below 8800 and 8780, you can expect a correction all the way towards 8740 and 8700 zone. Indicators are definitely trying to cool down. Look at the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, yes, yes. And now once it trades below 8800, 8780, more bearishness should follow. The indicators right now, notice that are still having room on the upside. Look at the 4-hour charts. The resistance here from 8850 pretty strong. Price is reversing from the resistance zone. It could move all the way towards 8800, 8810 levels. Coming to daily, look at the daily chart. See, these candles are pretty important. It comes with the tail, and now getting the resistance price is trying to reverse. The support at 8780, 8750 pretty strong, and any breach below 8700 is a clear sign of a crash in making. Indicators is still having room, but the MACD is still staying on the sell side. So now looking at this, I will recommend a buying entry only above 8850, where you can expect 8868, 8882 and then 8900 levels, which is going to be a double top level as well. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 88, 18 levels, expect 8808, 8795. 8780. If 8780 is taken, the direct landing should be at 8750, and below that a greater correction should follow towards 8700. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.